the stars as night unfolds, quiet tunes the moonlight holds. Softly whisper dreams untold, feel the breeze as truth is sold.